Last week, Federal Reserve Chair Powell's speech on the economic outlook dominated market attention. Turning to the week ahead, investors will continue to follow the Fed outlook very closely, with equity prices, bond yields, and broad financial conditions closely tied to the path policymakers are laying out. The New York Fed president will give a speech on Monday, and Fed Governor Christopher Waller, who dissented from the last Fed decision in favor of a rate cut, will give a speech on Thursday. As markets are looking for any information to move the needle on next month's potential rate cuts, these policymaker comments could move markets. On Tuesday, we will see monthly house price data for June. Home prices have softened recently, likely due to the higher mortgage rates and elevated inventories, neither of which looks likely to subside anytime soon. Finally, on Friday, we will see the monthly personal income and spending report for July. Personal spending has held up in recent months, including on an inflation-adjusted basis, signaling to us that the economy likely remains intact and resilient. Forecasters expect this trend continued in July, but also project that PCE inflation, the Fed's preferred inflation measure, crept higher to 2.9%. An upside surprise to this inflation print, a full point above the Fed's target, would complicate the outlook for rate cuts this year. So items to watch this week: 1. Fed policymaker speeches. 2. House price data. 3. Personal income and spending.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell a specific investment strategy, any security or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons referenced, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth, FCW, is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bancshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bancshares are the entities through which FCW products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through FCIS, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals in all jurisdictions or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through FCIS, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and SVB, a division of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. For more information about FCIS, FCAM, or SVBW and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.